Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another Beebeecraft unboxing to show you, and in this parcel are two more videos of potential craft supplies that I will show you from Beebeecraft and what you could do with them. Now if you've got a YouTube channel and you've got more than 100 subscribers, you may be eligible to do this sort of thing for Beebeecraft. All the links will be below to Beebeecraft and the products that I show you in here. And yeah, check them out. They always send their products really nicely packed with bubble wrap. They send their products very timely. I haven't had any problems with Beebeecraft. I love all their products, and I'll show you what they have sent me this time. Right, my first thing in here is this gorgeous stencil. Really pretty, and it's 2, 4, 6 roses on this. So I'm excited to do something with this. I'll take it out of the packet and then you can see all the roses properly. I love stencils, love using stencils, and I think we don't use them enough. Aren't they gorgeous, these rose stencils? And the plastic is nice too. It's a nice thickness. So yeah, beautiful that is. Right, my next product in here is, oh, what's this little one? Let's check this out. These are tiny buckles. Look at them. They're amazing. Gosh, there's all different like colours in here, silver, gold, and the bronze. And look how tiny they are. Look at my fingernail compared to how tiny these buckles are. They are just gorgeous. Now I was looking at these a while back and they'd gone out of stock, but they're back in now. Aren't they beautiful? So we'll do something with them. Come in their own little container. Okay, my next product in here, oh, here's the invoice. And the next product in here is a pack of beads. These are a pack of bicone beads. All the links will be below anyway, but look at the colors you get in here. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so sparkly too. I'm pretty sure they are like acrylic beads because they haven't got that weight of glass, but they are so pretty, and just a gorgeous mix of colors here. So there's every color you'd need in here, and so many of them. They are just gorgeous. I love this color. This is like, you can't see that online. Oh, I wish you could see it better, but this is a oh, it's like an ocean aquary color, which is just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Very happy with them. Right, I'll sit them over there. The next thing in my bag is these are, oh, these are pretty. This is a bag of, oh, these are pretty. I'm so glad they're this size. I was hoping, I was looking at the order and I was thinking, oh, I hope they're not too big. These are just gorgeous. Now the name on the thing says Crystal Sew-On Buttons. You can see here that they have a little section that you sew through. Oh, these are so pretty. These are so pretty, and look how many you get. Gosh, these are gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So happy with them. Look at how they sparkle. So yeah, these are all sew on, and look, oh gosh, yeah, look at them all. Oh, they are just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Beebeecraft. They are amazing. Now I've got two more things in the bag. Okay, this is a metal stamp set, and it's got letters from A to Z, and then it's got numbers 0 to 9, And then you have a few different symbols. You've got a heart, an and symbol, a little star, a cross, a slash, and I'm not sure what that one is. Okay, so you use these little metal stamps on metal, and you hammer it down, and you know that little impression will come into your metal. So in saying that, the next thing that I got was a pack of metal tags, and there's like is this a rose gold? It looks like a rose gold and a silver. I'll just grab one out and show you. And they have they're sort of like a big giant split pin. Okay, and there's the backing for it, and you put your when you stamp your words or your letters on here, then you can put it on your project or on your bag or whatever you're putting it on. So that'll be fun to have a play with them and see how they go. I've also got a couple of other things I'd like to use them on as well. So this is the 42 piece pack, and they're 3mm letters of numbers and letters. Okay, and then this one is the metal blank stamping tags. Okay, the 16 in the set, so it looks like there'd be 8 of the silver and 8 of the rose gold color. Nice. And then this one's got 200 pieces in it of the buttons. These are just gorgeous. I love them. Love them. And the bicone beads, they're acrylic beads. There's 5,760 pieces in that gorgeous set there. And what about this one? And then the mini buckles. There's 240 pieces in the mini buckles. Alright, this one looks like a fun package. So this is the unboxing for all these products, and all the links will be below to Beebeecraft. So pop over there. When you make an account, make sure you start a love list, because you're going to need it. When you search for things, I always put them in my love list, and then I can go back and find them easily. And I know that Black Friday they've had a lot of awesome specials too in Beebeecraft, so pop over and check all that out. And yeah, check out the links below. This is the unboxing, like I said, and then the next 2 videos will be makes using these products. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed having a look at them. I'm just in love with these little buttons. Oh, they are just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, and really keen to have a play with all these products. Love this stencil as well. Alright, so pop over to Beebeecraft, check out all these amazing products. The links will all be below for these products, like I said, and make sure you go through those links, because they go through like my name to Beebeecraft. And don't forget, at checkout you can put the coupon code in Valita10 and get 10% off products. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at them, and please like, share and subscribe to my videos. This is a like a Beebeecraft product review and make as well, so watch out for the next 2 videos where I do things with these products, and I hope you enjoy them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon for a new make. Bye.